Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to highlight text in PDF documents in the Microsoft Edge web browser. This is a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So as you can see, I've opened up a PDF file in Microsoft Edge here. So you can see we have a lot of tools along our toolbar here, the classic zooming in, out, rotating page. We also have a drawing feature here. And if you click the little drop down arrow, you have all these different colors to choose from here. You could draw on the page. However, if you just want to highlight certain areas of the text, just highlight over whatever text you want to highlight and right click on it and then select highlight. And now you have 5 different options at the time of this recording. So yellow, green, light blue, pink, and red. And then you just would select whatever color you want to highlight it. Pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.